nice truck, guys. This thing is a complete frame off restoration. Complete frame off restoration. Every nut and bolt, just all the floor pans. Oh my gosh, this thing looks like brand new under here, which it is. It's only got probably 100 miles on the build. It's got the 373 gears, 350 motor with an automatic 350 turbo transmission. It's just got disc brakes in the front. This truck is nice. Wow, this looks so nice. There's nothing on this truck that hasn't been touched. Hey everyone, what's happening? My passion's cars. If you're watching this, it's your passion too. I buy and build and sell what I want. I wish I could keep them all because cars are cool.